Hey everyone, Katie Gehring here for Avriel. I have a quick and easy card to share with you today featuring the new Critter Circle Tags stamp set as well as the Slimline Borders Elements dies. So to get started with the card, I'm going to cut a piece of cardstock to the Slimline card dimensions, which is 3.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I'm going to tape one of these Slimline border dies into place. I'm going to run that through my die cut machine, and then I'm left with that perfectly cut border with a little bit of dotted feature. Next, I am going to use a 2-inch circle punch just to quickly punch out some circles onto the card front. I'm going to position my tags such that the critters are going to be peeking out from these circles, and this really makes for a quick and easy way to add some interest to a slimline or really any card design. I've left a space between the second and third circle, and that is where I'm going to stamp the happy birthday sentiment that's included with the stamp set. Next, I'm going to finish coloring in my critters. I've colored the cat and dog and bear and bunny with Copic markers, and now I'm just adding a little bit of color to the background. So the kitty cat is going to be in an aqua color. I'm going to color the puppy with a little bit of a chartreuse green, and then the bunny is going to be in shades of yellow. Unfortunately, the bear is not going to be used on this card, but that's okay. I'm going to set him aside for use on another project. Once everything is colored in, I'm going to trim up my tags. Now I could have just as easily used the circle punch to cut them out, but I kind of wanted to play with the positioning a little bit. So I just kind of cut them roughly into squares or rectangles, positioned them behind the holes the way I wanted them, and then just trimmed the edges using a pair of scissors. As a finishing touch, I am going to adhere some flat circle and star sequins onto the card front using some clear drying deluxe adhesive. Once I've got everything adhered into place, I'm going to use a tape runner and attach the completed card panel to a slimline card. So that is going to finish up my project for today. For more information about any of the products I used in today's video, please visit us at avriel.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.